Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to edit the footer on your Wix website. If you've ever felt stuck trying to customize that bottom section of your site, whether you want to change your copyright year, tweak your links, or just freshen things up, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll feel completely confident editing your Wix footer, and your site will feel a whole lot more polished and professional. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Wix website design. That means logging into your Wix account and opening your site in the Wix editor. Just make sure you're in edit site mode. This is where all the magic happens. People often overlook the footer because it's at the very bottom, but it's actually a key spot for things like contact info, legal links, and social media icons. Visitors always see that section last, so let's make it count. Next, look towards the top right corner of your Wix editor screen. You'll see a menu labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on that. It opens up a handful of options that help you organize and manage different parts of your website. We're looking for the Layers option here. Enable it by clicking on it. Think of layers kind of like sheets of clear plastic stacked on top of each other, each one holding different elements on your page. When layers are turned on, it's much easier to select tricky sections like your footer, and you don't end up clicking the wrong thing by mistake. Now, with layers enabled, find and click on the footer itself. If you're not sure what counts as the footer, just scroll all the way down your page. Once you click on it, you'll see it highlight. That's how you know you're in the right spot. The footer might have things like text, menus, or even social links sitting inside it. Here, where you can get creative and make it your own. Once you've selected the footer, you can start editing. Simply click any text that you see and the usual text editing toolbar pops up. Here you can change the wording, update your business name, fix those little details, or even update the year on your copyright line. If you've ever sent out a resume and realized later that your email was outdated, you know how important these little details can be. Take your time here, double-check for typos, and make sure everything looks just right. Now, if you're looking for an even easier route, Wix offers a feature called Quick Edit. You'll usually find this option as a small button or right-click menu. Click on Quick Edit, and it brings up a simplified panel where you can modify the most important footer settings in one easy spot. This is perfect if you just want to swap out a link, update your logo, or change a background color without clicking through a bunch of menus. It really speeds things up, especially if you're not wanting to dig too deep into the nitty-gritty of the editor. And that's all there is to it. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to hit save, and then publish if you want your updates to go live for everyone to see. Messing with your site's footer might seem small, but those little touches help your site look polished and trustworthy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It helps more people find it. And if you have any questions about Wix or website design in general, drop a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that make your website shine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.